Want to look this good in neoprene? Maybe you've bust a hole in the knee. Let's talk about wetsuits. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about wetsuits. How to wash them, how to store them, and how to fix them when a hole eventually appears in them, to make sure that they last longer and keep you warm. So our wetsuit has finally finished drying both inside and out, but before we store it we should give it a double check just to make sure there's been no damage. Check in high wear areas such as the elbows, the knees and the bum. If there is, it's time to fix it. Once your wetsuit's finished drying, hang it up on either a rail or on the back of the door, somewhere out of direct sunlight, and it'll be ready for your next adventure. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.